This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. Right after the pandemic, I made a select few stock plays that were huge and completely changed my life, making an absolute fortune. And by getting early into Palantir, Tesla, Apple, and NVIDIA, and a few other stocks, I saw the massive shift in data infrastructure and high-end performance hardware requirements years in advance. I built massive positions and rode the wave and traded to generational wealth while everyone else doubted the narrative. But what if I told you that historic, life-changing stock market run that we witnessed a few years ago with those tech giants was actually just the opening act? Right now, millions of retail investors are celebrating their trailing AI gains, completely blind to the fact that the smartest institutional money on Wall Street is already moving capital out of the standard tech plays and locking positions into an entirely new parallel computing revolution. If you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for a classic market correction to get rich, or maybe you think that the tech ship has already sailed, you're about to make the most expensive mistake of your financial life. The next wave is moving faster than anything we've seen before, and the window to build massive wealth from the absolute ground floor is slamming shut right now. Look at the macro landscape today. Something incredible is happening as the stock market is aggressively pushing into all-time highs. Yet the forward-looking PE ratio across the tech sector is actually dropping. Let that sink in. The market is fundamentally getting cheaper while the stock prices go up because corporate earnings are completely exploding, driven by core AI integration. However, standard silicon microchip infrastructure is hitting a hard physical bottleneck, and tech giants realize they need a monumental leap in raw processing power to survive the next decade. That leap is quantum computing. We are officially transitioning away from traditional binary silicon and entering the era of quantum supremacy. And if you know exactly where to deploy your capital before the mainstream media starts pumping it, you can position yourself to capture the kind of returns that most people only dream of. Before we dive into how you can position your portfolio for this massive shift, let me tell you something straight from the heart. Over the last year, I've grown my micro challenge account from $900 to over $8,000 and my main portfolio from $257,000 to $1.7 million during the exact same time frame, using the exact strategies and principles that I'm talking about in this video. I don't just talk about these numbers for vanity. I teach precise technical analysis, dark pool, and hedge fund strategies every single day inside my private trading Discord. And my students in the Discord are absolutely crushing the market. 7 years ago, I was completely bankrupt, starting at zero. Trading absolutely changed my life, and I've told you guys this many times, and it sparked a deep personal mission for me to help others. I was raised Catholic, and my parents were very hard on me to do the right thing, and I'm not perfect. I've made a lot of mistakes, but I take immense pride and honor in helping other people, and I'm deeply committed to lifting up my community and ensuring that my students have the tools to win, and you guys here on YouTube as well. If you want to fundamentally change your trading game, step up your execution, and truly do better, I would love to personally coach you and help you grow your portfolio. Let me show you what I can do for you to help you grow your portfolio like I do with thousands of students already. The link to join my Discord is below. Come in and join the family that is dedicated to building wealth. I look forward to seeing you real soon. The very beginning of being able to make money in quantum computing is understanding why quantum computing is an absolute necessity. You have to look at the physical limitations of the current technology. Traditional computers, from the phone in your hand to the multi-billion-dollar AI data centers owned by Google, process information using bits. A bit is a binary. It can only exist as a 0 or a 1. Quantum computing throws that limitation completely out the window by utilizing quantum mechanics, specifically principles known as superposition and entanglement. Instead of standard bits, quantum systems run on qubits. A qubit can exist as a 0, 1, or both simultaneously. This allows quantum compute to process vast multi-dimensional calculations in seconds that would literally take a traditional supercomputer thousands of standard infrastructure layer for cloud providers. Advanced retail projections target an upside potential stretching well past $65. The next stock to talk about is Rigetti Computing, pure play powerhouse operating out of Berkeley, California, and that designs and fabricates its own quantum integrated circuits. What makes Rigetti fundamentally better than the vast majority of the market is their world-class vertical integration. They own the entire stack from the chip design and manufacturing to cloud delivery. They have achieved received massive technical validation. Their recent commercial launch of their multi-chip architecture, including the Cepheus 1108Q system, which pushes the boundaries of qubit scaling while maintaining an exceptional 99.5% medium 2-qubit gate fidelity. By integrating their hardware directly into existing public clouds like Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, Rigetti has built an accessible ecosystem for enterprise and government clients who need immediate, high-performance quantum processing units, which are QPUs. Rigetti's Q1 2026 earnings report delivered on May 11th showcased an absolute explosion in top-line growth. The company reported a staggering 193% year-over-year revenue, surging to $4.4 million, handily beating Wall Street consensus estimates of $4.13 million. This massive revenue beat was primarily fueled by the physical deliveries of their Novera QPUs and accelerated government ecosystem contracts. While the company recorded an operational loss of $26 million due to heavy R&D scaling, their actual non-GAAP net loss improved to $14.7 million, with an EPS loss of 4 cents, matching expectations perfectly. Most importantly, Rigetti boasts an incredible bulletproof balance sheet, holding a robust $569 million in cash equivalents, and short-term investments, with absolutely zero outstanding debt, giving them a massive operational runway. Looking at the technicals and the valuation, Rigetti sits at a market capitalization of approximately $5.42 billion, with the stock trading at $16.26 following an intraday market consolidation after its recent earnings release. This $16 range serves as a highly defended capitulation floor for the bulls, and Wall Street sentiment is overwhelmingly bullish, with a strong consensus buy rating. Analysts have established an average 12-month price target of $28 to $30, representing a sharp immediate upside, and for the 3 to 5 year medium-term window, analysts maintain an average price target of $40 to $60 as their 1,000 plus qubit systems hit the market. For the long-term 5-year plus outlook, if Rigetti cements its spot as the dominant hardware provider for cloud ecosystems, top-tier analyst targets point to a massive valuation expansion targeting prices over $120 per share. Before I reveal the number one undisputed quantum computing stock on my list, which is putting up numbers that is absolutely breaking Wall Street's model, I want to remind you that the key to making money or even millions in the market isn't just knowing names of these stocks. It's knowing exactly when to buy, how to manage your risk, and how to read the technical charts. Inside my Discord community, I break down my exact daily trade alerts, my exact entries, targets, exits, and provide these precise educational frameworks that let me scale my small portfolio from $250,000 to $1.7 million in the same time frame, my micro challenge account from $900 to over $8,000. And these are the exact same strategies I teach my students in Discord. We have built an incredible community of winning traders who support each other every single day. If you want to stop guessing, stop chasing green candles, and truly master the art of trading and investing, and take advantage of this big wave of quantum computing, AI, and this big move that we're likely to see this year and next year, because we're just getting started in the 3rd inning out of 9 innings, I would love to help you grow your portfolio. The link to get started in Discord is below. I look forward to seeing you real soon. The number one quantum computing stock to potentially add to your portfolio is IonQ, which is the undisputed crowning king of the pure play quantum computing sector. What sets IonQ completely apart, makes them vastly superior to every other competitor on the planet, is their proprietary trapped on technology. And while other companies are using superconducting circuits that require massive, hyper expensive dilution refrigerators to keep their chips cooled to temperatures colder than deep space, IonQ uses individualized trapped atoms suspended in a vacuum at near room temperature. This approach delivers unparalleled qubit stability, longer coherent times, and an industry-leading 99.99% 2-qubit gate fidelity. IonQ has completely won the clubhouse, establishing deep commercial partnerships with Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, and the U.S. Air Force, making their advanced tempo systems the most highly demanded quantum hardware in the world. Financially, IonQ just delivered a quarterly report for Q1 2026 that completely stunned the entire financial world. IonQ reported a historic record-breaking GAAP revenue of $64.7 million for the single quarter, representing a mind-boggling 755% year-over-year growth rate compared to the $7.6 million reported in the same time period just last year. This monumental performance beat an absolute highest Wall Street estimate by 30%, driven by massive commercial system sales and cloud utilization. Management aggressively raised their full year 2026 revenue guidance to a range of $260 million to $270 million. Even more incredible is IonQ's backlog and remaining performance obligation, RPO, which skyrocketed by 554% year over year to a record high of $470 million. The company is backed by a massive liquidity mountain, holding a staggering $3.1 billion in cash equivalents, and available for sale investments against a tiny, negligible total debt profile of just $30.4 million. From a market perspective, IonQ commands a powerful, dominant market capitalization of $18.14 billion. Following their blockbuster earnings release, the stock has experienced significant accumulation and is currently trading at a strong, well-supported capitulation floor of $48.71. Wall Street consensus sits at an overwhelmingly strong buy, and the immediate 12-month average consensus price target has been adjusted to $75 plus, implying an immediate upside potential. And looking out into the 3 to 5 year window, top-tier institutional analysts have modeled price targets stretching between $110 to $145 per share as their systems achieve full commercial integration over the coming 5+ years. For the long-term 5 to 10 year macro horizon, as quantum computing scales deeply into the multi-billion-dollar enterprise reality, advanced retail and institutional targets project IonQ expanding even deeper into multi-bagger giant with price targets well north of $300 per share. The financial data, the structural macro shift, and the massive revenue acceleration numbers make one thing absolutely undeniable. The quantum computing revolution is no longer a futuristic concept. It is actively happening right now. Just like the early days of the internet, mobile smartphones, and the initial AI wave that sent shocks like NVIDIA and PALANTIR into the stratosphere. The investors who have the vision to position their capital before the rest of the world wakes up are the ones who will write history for themselves. You have the exact facts, the exact ticker symbols, and the precise financial metrics right in front of you right now. The choice is entirely yours. Whether you want to be a passive spectator watching from the sidelines or take control of your financial destiny and execute with precision and ride this massive technological wave to the ultimate generational wealth. Lock in your edge, lock in your positions, and I look forward to seeing you in the Discord real soon to help you grow your portfolio and on the next video.